Good morning to everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about AMDP. So yesterday I have given one scenario, and same thing I am explaining now. The scenario is sales order and billing order information I want to display in a single line. Okay, so for that one, we need to consider some BBAK, BBAP, and LAPS and LAKP. These four fields we need to consider here. Fine. I will create three methods here, and VBAK, VBAP, I will do one inner join in first method, and in the second method, I will join LAPS and LAKP in second method. In third method, I will match all the data into single internal table. So let me create one class. So here in the public section, I am taking one interface. Method, so static method I have to take. So class methods I will maintain. Class methods get VBAK and get VBAP and final output. Three methods I am just maintaining here. And I will implement the methods. Method get VBAK and end method. Okay, three methods I have declared and three methods I have implemented here. Fine, now I will go to some declaration part for VBAK, VBAP and LAKP, LAPS and final. Okay, so for that one, I will go for something exporting parameter, exporting value LTVBAK or LTSO type PT underscore SO. So for this one, exporting value LT bill type TT underscore bill. Exporting value, so LT final type PT underscore final. So these three internal tables I'm exporting here. So I need to declare these three table types. So for that one, I will declare the types here. Begin of ty underscore something so bbeln type bbak bbeln and postner type bbap postner AUDAT type VBAK AUDAT, and what it is, Matner METNR type, Matner KWMENZ type KWMENZ. Okay, and end of TY underscore SO. And one more thing, begin of TY underscore bill and BBDLN type LAPS BBDLN. Um, LFDAT type LHEP LFDAT, and LFIMZ type LFBS LFIMZ, and VGBEL type LAPS VGBEL. So in the last class I have explained whatever the fields we have to consider. So for those fields only I am declaring here. Okay, so this is for ESCO and this is for billing, and final also one more is there, right? So for that one, so begin of TY underscore final. So I will consider these all things here. Okay, and after that one, I have to consider these things, right? So already here VBEL I have mentioned. So one more time here I am taking one more VBELN, but this is from LIPS and this is VBAK. But the fields are same. So what I will do, I will change it to bill number one. Okay, and this is the bill item one. Bill item one and bill date one. Okay, and this one bill quantity one, and VGPL is not required in the final. So I will remove it here. So here we need to consider billing one, billing two, billing three. So up to three billings we have to consider. Or I think this is a delivery, right? Sorry, delivery one, delivery item one, delivery date one, delivery quantity one. Okay, I think this is also not billing. This is delivery. Delivery, fine. I will copy these things and I will paste it here for second delivery information. Delivery number two, delivery date item two, delivery date two, and delivery quantity two. And for delivery number three, and delivery item number three, and delivery date three, and delivery quantity three. Okay, and finally, end of TY underscore final. Types TT underscore final, type table of TY underscore final, and TT underscore delivery type table of TY underscore delivery, and TT underscore SO type table of TY underscore SO. Table types I have declared here, and This is the delivery. So this is the delivery means LAPS. So we click here. Okay, I'm just changing the method names here. Get VBAP and LAPS here. And same thing, I will mention the method implementation also. And this is the LAPS. Just I'm maintaining the item tables information here. That's it. Okay. So method declaration and the implementation is okay, but in the implementation I did not write anything code. I will add the code now. First I will come to VBAP. Here I need to uh, uh, I need to join two tables VBAK and VBAP. So the output parameter is LT underscore SQ is equal to select header dot VBELN, header dot postner, so what are the VBELN, postner and AUDAT? So H dot AUDAT, and Matner KWMENC. So item dot Matner and item dot KWMENC from VBAK as header, H inner join, VBAP as I. On header dot H dot VBELN is equal to item I dot VBELN. Okay, hope everyone know about this inner join, so I'm not explaining about this one. Okay, and method is unexpected. Okay, so I have given something uh, colon semicolon here. Okay, so this is considering like normal method. Okay, if it is normal method, then it will allow open SQL statements, but here I am writing something native SQL statement. Okay, so we need to convert this method from normal method to procedure method, right? So by database procedure for HANA database and language SQL script and using VBAK and VBAP. Now let me check here something error. So SQL script invalid column name h.postman. Okay, this is an item level. Okay, H for header information means VBAK and I means item information from VBAP. And where uh, MANDT is equal to okay, and session control space session context something is there, control space not coming. Obviously define identity. Okay, fine. Okay, this MANDT I am considering from VBAK H dot. Okay, so MANDT field is available in both tables. It is from which table you are considering, like that it was asking. So fine. This is VBAK. I mean, I'm joining the VBAK and VBAP tables here, and coming to the get LIPS. Okay, here the exporting parameter is LT underscore DEL is equal to select. So here also I will maintain like H dot header information from LIKP, BBELN and item post now, and so just check the order of the fields. BBELN post now, LFDAT, so H dot LFDAT and item dot LFIMC and item dot VGBEL and item dot VGPOS. Okay, from LIKP as H header and inner join and LAPS as item I information. Okay, on H dot VBELN is equal to I dot VBELN and where condition H dot MANDT is equal to session context. Okay, and this is the procedure. So I will change the method implementation here by database procedure for HANA database, language SQL script, and we are using LIKP and LIPS here. Okay, fine. This is also fine now. VBAK, BBAP, and LIKP, LIPS information we got now. Now what I will do, I need to merge these two tables information into one final internal table. Okay, and final table internal table structure also I have declared. Fine. How can we do that? So first of all, we need to call these two methods in this method. Okay. So because I need to loop the data here, the final output, but the data is available in different method. So I need to call that method. So first of all, I will call BBAP. So calling the method call. So how we have to call? By using the class name, the double quotation mark, ZCL, AMDP, test 4. The method name is get pbap. Okay, double quotation mark ending, and here the exporting parameter, right? So LT underscore SO. So this is the exporting parameter, and I will import into one local internal table. Okay, that is LT underscore sales. And here I'm just this is a normal method, so I'm converting into database procedure. So by database procedure for HANA database language SQL script, I'm using so one more method is get LAPS. Okay, two methods. Here something error is coming. Let me write something code, then we will check it. So I will copy this one and I will paste here. So I am calling something lips LAPS here, and internal table, exporting internal table is um, LT delivery, right? LTDEL is coming, and I will import into LT delivery internal table. Fine. So here LT sales and LT delivery not required to declare. Automatically it will declare here, and the data also will pass this internal table. Okay. And now I will fill something data. Okay. I will fill something data in the final internal table. So the internal table name is where is this one? LT final, right? So LT final. Okay. Fine. Just this is for to avoid the error. Okay. This is not the real syntax. I will check it later. Okay. So to avoid the error, just I am filling some data in this internal table, because whenever we are using, I mean, this database procedure, and we are using something exporting parameter LT panel, then we should not keep the internal table as empty. We need to fill something. So I'm just filling something value here. That's it. And here, let me check the error. JCL AMDP test is unknown. Where is the test here? Okay, so the class name.
After test, give for class name.
Yeah, class name I have missed here. Thank you. And here also test 4, and here also test 4. Okay, now there is no error. Fine. So here I'm just calling or fetching sales information. Okay, so better to write some comments whenever you are writing something code. So better to write some comments, so it will be understandable for other ABAPers. Okay, you will develop this one and you will go outside of the company. Then one more ABAPer will come in place of you. Then by seeing of comments, you can understand very easily. So this is for fetching billing information. This is the delivery, right? So delivery information. Fine. Now I want to loop this LT underscore sales. Okay, I want to loop this LT underscore sales, but direct looping statement is not available in native SQL. So what we have to do? We have to loop like uh, first of all, we need to find out how many records are available in this internal table. Okay, so just assume 100 records are available. So I need to loop from first record to 100 record. At that time, I will go for loop. Okay, for I will take something variable I. Okay, and I will loop one dot. I mean one dot dot to 100 record. Then 100 times it will loop here. Okay, let me write the code. Then you can understand a bit easily. So how can we find out the number of records are available in this LT sales? Okay, LV SO count. I'm just taking one variable LV SO count. Okay, and here record count of LT sales. So this is a variable and it will contain the number of records are available in this LT sales internal table. Let me declare this LV underscore count here. Declare LVHO count. This is integer, and by default I'm giving 0. Okay, 0 fine. And this is for record count. I mean SO internal table number of records. Okay, fine. I find out number of records in the internal table LT sales. Now I will loop this internal table. So how to loop here? For, okay, by using for, I am just looping it here. For I am taking one more variable I. Okay, so I will declare that I also. Oh, 1 minute. For I have declared, right. So here I will declare I. Declare I integer. So I am initializing something value 0. Okay, if we don't maintain 0, then what will happen here? So it will consider like null. Okay, sometimes we will get empty data, even though data is passing, but in the output it will show empty because it will be null. Default value will be null. That's why I'm initializing something value as 0, and for I in 1 to something 100 records are available, right? That 100 record count is available in this variable lv underscore so count, right? So I will take that variable only lv underscore so count, and I'm doing do here. This is for end for. Okay, I'm just looping 1 to 100. Now I will fill the data of final internal table. Okay, lt final of pbeln, the first line. Okay, the first line here. I mean instead of passing like hard coding value 1, I will pass something I here. Okay, if I pass I, then what will happen? By default, for the first loop here 1 will come, for the second loop 2 will come, third loop 3 will come. Automatically the value will come from variable I. Okay, so this is the final internal table. VBELN I am filling on the first line. Okay, the first line VBELN I am filling. So what is the value here? Okay. The value is LD underscore sales. Okay, dot VBELN, and here also I am passing something first line. Okay, so first line VBELN from sales I am passing to LT final, and something error it is showing. Let me check. SQL syntax. Okay, mistake. LT sales. Okay, fine. In front of this LT sales, I'm just using something colon because this is a local internal table or temporary table. VBEL and I have passed here. Now I will come to the next one. Post now. Okay, here sales dot post now. Okay, fine. And next one is, I will copy here the line. Okay, and the third record is AUDAT. Sorry.
POSNS, PSON, you wrote PSON.
Yeah, here. Thank you. The spelling is mistake. Yeah, thank you.
In place of one I, right? We will write I.
Yeah, exactly. Correct. Okay, and here AUDAT I need to pass. Okay, next record is Postner, AUDAT, and Matner and KBMAZ. Okay, so this is the Matner, and here also Matner. And now KWMENZ. And here also KWMENZ. Fine. The sales information is filling here. That is fine. Okay. Now I need to fill the delivery information also, right? So at that time I have to loop delivery information also. Okay. Here I am not writing any read table syntax because if you see here, sales order number 1 to 3 is there for this one. Okay. Item number 10, laptop is there for this one. 20 quantity is there. Okay. 20 quantity. But in the delivery, they are delivering like 500. Okay. First time the delivery number 500. So 10 laptops they are delivering. Okay. And after that one, in the 501 also. So 1 minute, where is it? So this is the item number 10. Okay. Okay, fine. Here, second line item is not available. See, sales order number 1 to 3 is there, item number 10, and this is the laptop, and the quantity is 20 here. But in the delivering, so 500 is the delivery number, item number 10 is there. So for that one, the reference sales document number 1 to 3 and item number 10, and the material is laptop, and the quantity is 8 only. Okay, quantity is 8 only. So I need to deliver 12 quantities I need to deliver, right?